Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen wa al-aqibatu lil muttaqeen wa salatu wa salam ala khataman nabiyeen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear listeners and viewers, we are studying Surah Al-Fatiha. Today we will study a very important ayah of Surah Al-Fatiha, which is Ihdina as-Sirat al-Mustaqim, which means, O Allah, guide us to the straight path. So what is guidance? And why we need guidance? Obviously in this life we have so many crossroads, so many situations where we cannot decide what we should do. For example, we are doing a business, which kind of business we should do. If we are getting married, so which kind of wife or husband we should take, or if we are going in education, which sort of education we should do and take. So we need guidance on each and every moment of our life. So that's why we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, oh Allah, guide us. And this guidance, Ihdina, doesn't just mean to show us, it means to take us, like a little baby when he walks in a park or in a road, the father or mother, they hold the baby from his fingers or hand and take it. You know, in English we use this word to escort someone to some place. So Ihdina means, oh Allah, all of us, all the believers in the entire earth, so we seek your guidance, we seek the way of life which is loved by you, which is told by you, which is most sirat in Arabic basically means a motorway. There is another word for way or path, which is a tariq. A tariq means a small path, but a sirat means a big path on which so many generations who already travel on that path. So we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, oh Allah, guide us to the straight path, which is protected fully, which is peaceful path, which is away from the temptations of shaitan, and which is away from any kind of dangers. It is fully, it guarantees the success and the peace and the security for the humanity, and protect us from any kind of disaster, any kind of problems. So we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and al-mustaqim means the straight, like a straight line, the shortest possible way to any destination. So we seek and we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Allah, guide us, show us, and make us to follow, and give us the strength to follow the path which is most peaceful, which is most secure path, which is away from the dangers and the dungeons, which is straight, which takes us, which keeps us peaceful and happy and satisfied in this world and in this life, temporary life, and which will lead us to the permanent peace and permanent success, al-Jannah. That is the Sirat al-Mustaqim. So dear listeners and viewers, next time when we are reading Al-Fatiha and we are reading these words, Ihdina as-Sirat al-Mustaqim, so we should think and understand that this is our biggest need in this life, to get and to find and to seek the truth and the straight path, and we can only seek and find the truth and the straight path by the help of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, to making dua to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala with humility. So may Allah help us to make this dua from the depth of our hearts, and so that we could get the biggest fulfilled our biggest need in our life, that is the proper guidance. Jazakumullahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.